From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring alarm clocks that can't even get the job done? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the ABS LCD Display Digital Wall Bedroom Living Alarm Clock by OFCRVA. This thing is a total rockstar, with its easy setup and sturdy build that's made of ABS material. It's wear-resistant and remains as good as new for a long time. You'll love the feel of the multifunctional buttons under your fingers, and the LCD large character display is clear and punctual, making it easy to read from anywhere in the room. The backlight mode is a total winner. It enables night viewing without having to touch it in the dark. Just touch the alarm clock and the backlight will turn on, and it will automatically turn off after 10 seconds, making it convenient to view in low-light environments. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The intuitive setting button makes it a breeze to set the time or alarm, with zero stress, and the alarm sound is just right, not too loud, not too low. It's perfect for waking you up from a deep sleep. I've used it in my bedroom and it's been a total lifesaver. The 12-hour and 24-hour format options are great, and the indoor temperature display is a nice touch. It's easy for kids and teens to use, and it makes a great basic bedroom bedside table desk gift alarm clock. The best part is, it's not just for kids, it's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and easy-to-use alarm clock, and the king-size display is huge. You can read it from across the room. So if you're looking for an alarm clock that's easy to use, sturdy, and has all the features you need, look no further than the ABS LCD Display Digital Wall Bedroom Living Alarm Clock by OFCRVA. It's a total winner, and as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.